Every month, the uterus lining goes through something that would count as an injury almost anywhere else in the body. The upper layer breaks down, blood vessels are disrupted, the tissue is shed, and the surface has to rebuild again. What makes this remarkable is that the endometrium usually repairs itself without any scar. In this new paper, researchers wanted to study this repair process in the lab. So they grew tiny 3D versions of the uterine lining from human cells. These are called organoids. Then they tried to recreate parts of the menstrual cycle. They exposed these mini tissues to estrogen and progesterone, removed the hormones to mimic the drop before menstruation, physically broke the organoids apart with a pipette, and then watched how they repaired. After breakdown, the cells switched on a wound healing program. When the researchers compared these cells with real human uterine lining, they looked similar to surface lining cells that appear during the menstrual repair. Then the researchers found one repair-associated signal that stood out. It's called Wnt7a. Wnt7a appeared during the repair phase after breakdown. And when they removed Wnt7a, the organoids struggled to keep growing over time. This suggests that Wnt7a helps support the renewal of the uterine lining. They also asked another important question. After menstruation, the uterus does not only need to rebuild its surface, it also needs to repair its blood vessels. So they collected the liquid surrounding the regenerating organoids, which contains the signals released by those cells, and added it to blood vessel cells or endothelial cells in a wound healing experiment. Those blood vessel cells closed the wound faster. That suggests the repairing uterine lining may send signals that help rebuild the blood vessel network too. So this paper gives scientists a way to study how the uterus lining repairs itself after shedding and why this process can happen over and over again without scar formation. The next exciting step would be to bring in other types of cells in the body that are part of repair, like immune cells or stromal cells and blood vessels. What would you want to see added to this model? Let's discuss in the comments.